Hi everyone, my name is Nur Suhaila binti Nazri and my metric number is 298934. So today I will briefly introduce the Sweden Pier Cruise Terminal, or we call it as SPCT. So SPCT is an international cruise terminal located in the Georgetown, Penang, or is operated by the Penang Port Syndrome Berhad. So the terminal was redeveloped and officially opened in 2010 to accommodate the growing number of international cruise tourists visiting Malaysia. One of the key strengths of the SPCT is the strategic located within the UNESCO World Heritage Site of the Georgetown. This allowed tourists easy to access the Penang culture attraction, heritage site, shopping area, and famous local food destinations.
My name is Suraya Hanif. My matrix number is 307779. Sydenham Pier Cruise Terminal, or SPCT, has been applied to several planning strategies to support the sustainable growth as an international cruise ship. So these planning strategies can be seen through the first. SPCT has expanded its infrastructure by extending the wharf to accommodate a larger cruise ships. So as a result, we can see that the passenger handling capacity has increased from 8,000 to 12,000 people at one time. Secondly, the terminal has transitioning into a home port, which allow the passengers to start and end their cruises in Penang. So, as a result, we can see that the tourist spending on accommodation, food, and local service will increase. So, this also benefiting the local economy. Third, SPCT collaborates with the neighboring destinations, which is through the SAPHULA or Safula Tourism Belt. So as a result, we can see that the Penang becomes more attractive as part of the regional cruise network, and also they gain a stronger competitive position. And then next, fourth, the terminal leverages its proximity to the Georgetown UNESCO World Heritage Site. Yeah, and then as a result, we can see that the visitor can easily access the cultural and also historical attraction, which improve their overall experience. And then lastly, SPCT has emphasizing the sustainability through digital systems and also efficient passenger management. So in the result, we can see that the congestion is reduced, the operations become more efficient, and also the tourism growth remains environment ally, the sustainable. So overall, these strategies helped to position the SPCT as a competitive, sustainable, and also internationally recognized cruise destination.
For operation management strategies, Swedenham Pier Cruise Terminal implement several management strategies to ensure smooth and efficient terminal operation. So for the first one, we focus on the efficient passenger handling, where the movement of the passengers managed systematic to reduce the congestion, ensure smooth embarkation and disembarkation process. The second one, we have security and safety management. This is include the strict security procedure, such as custom, we have the immigration check and screening to ensure safety on the staff, crew members, and passengers. In addition, we have stakeholder coordination by working closely with cruise operators, government agencies, and the transport providers to ensure all operations run smoothly and efficiently. Last, for operation management, we have infrastructure development by upgrading facilities and expand terminal capacity to accommodate increasing number of cruise ship and passenger visiting Penang. For part 2, we have a service management strategy. From service management, Sydenham Pier Cruise Terminal focus on delivered high quality and enhancing experience of passenger. Through the customer experience enhancement, SPCT provide the comfortable and accessible facilities such as the waiting area, transport service, passenger support service to enhance, to improve the visitor satisfaction. Next, we have the quality service delivery ensured by providing the efficient customer service and maintaining the flow of passenger process throughout their journey in the terminal. SPCT also promote the tourism integration as its strategic location near Georgetown, allow tourists easy access to major attraction, contribute to the growth of Penang tourism industry. In addition, the terminal supports sustainable practice by implementing environmental friendly initiative and reducing the environmental impact of its operations.
Alright, for safety strategies, SPCT focuses on ensuring passenger safety while maintaining smooth operations. The terminal can handle up to 12,000 passengers, so a strict control is really needed. And it follows the ISPS code, which is an International Maritime Security Standard. In the term of security, SPCT uses CCTV surveillance, passenger, and also baggage screening and restricted access zone to prevent any threats. And also, it's provide multilingual signage and emergency evacuation routes to help the tourists understand safety procedures. Lastly, the use of contactless and digital system helps reduce congestion and health risk. Overall, this strategy ensures a safe and comfortable experience for the passenger. Next, for coordination strategies, SPCT focuses on the strong collaboration to ensure smooth operation. The terminal works with immigration, custom, and also the police to manage both the control and improve efficiency. This help achieve faster passenger processing and reduces waiting time. SPCT also coordinates with the cruise operator and transport providers to ensure smooth movement from the terminal to the city. In addition, organized pickup and drop-off zone help manage tourist flow and reduce congestion in Georgetown. Lastly, regional cooperation through the IMTGT framework improves scheduling and avoids overcrowding. Overall, effective coordination ensures a smooth and efficient travel experience.
Hi, my name is Nur Hidayati binti Zabarnain. My number matric is 302190. So, for marketing strategy, Swettenham Pier Cruise Terminal or SPCT use effective marketing strategy to promote Penang as a leading cruise tourism destination. They also collaborate with cruise operators and tourist agency to attract more international cruise ship and visitors. So, in marketing strategy, how SPCT promote its service? SPCT promote its service by showing a high quality passenger facilities and abilities to accommodate large international cruise ship. Its location near Georgetown to make it attractive for tourists who want to explore Penang culture and heritage. The arrival of luxury cruise ship also help promote Penang as a global tourist market. Next, the market target user of SPCT are international and domestic cruise passengers, cruise operators, travel agency and tour companies. The terminal provide efficient passenger service, custom and immigration facilities, transportation, retail outlets and free duty shoppings to ensure a comfortable travel experience. How SPCT attract users? SPCT attract users by providing modern and convenient facilities, service such as efficient check-in, custom clearance, transportation, and shopping facilities to improve passenger satisfaction. This quality service encourage cruise operators and tourists to choose Penang as a preferred cruise destination. In marketing strategy, SPCT also support tourism-related travel by providing direct access to Penang famous attraction such as Armenian Street, Penang Street Art, and the Clan Jetties. This encourage tourists to visit a local restaurant, hotel, souvenir shop, and culture site, contributing to the growth of the local tourist industry. And last, for conclusion marketing strategy, Swettenham Pier Cruise Terminal using a marketing strategy focus on promoting its service, attracting international and domestic user, and supporting tourist-related travel. These strategies enhance Penang reputation and as a world-class cruise destination while contributing to the development of Malaysia tourist industry and local economy.
Hello, my name is Aino Sofia. My matrix number is 302269. Now I will explain the effectiveness of the strategy used by Sweden Pier Cruise Terminal. First, for planning strategy, the terminal was expanded to receive a bigger cruise ship and more tourists. Its location near Georgetown also make it easy for tourists to visit attraction, restaurant, and shopping area. Second, for management strategy, the terminal provides smooth passenger service, immigration facility, and transportation such as taxis and buses. However, some tourists will face problems like crowding and unclear sign. Third, for marketing strategy, the terminal works with cruise companies and tourism agency to promote Penang. This can help attract more international tourists. We move to the next slide, show the overall evaluation of the terminal. First, the terminal support tourism activity by bring many cruise tourists to Penang. Second, it help tourist movement because passenger can travel easily from the terminal to different place in Penang. Third, the terminal has a good accessibility because it is close to Georgetown and other attractions. Lastly, it provides good convenience with useful facility and service. However, improvement in signage and crowd management are still needed. In conclusion, Sweden Pier Cruise Terminal is very important to Penang's tourism industry. The terminal helps attract more tourists and support tourism growth through good planning, management, and marketing strategy. Its strategy, location, modern facility, and transportation service make travel easier for visitors. Although the terminal is performing well, improvement in signage, customer service, and crowd control can make the visitor experience even better. Thank you.